Good day to everybody, no. So today, we're gonna talk about the law of attraction. So, I'd really love to talk about this topic, no. This topic of law of attraction. So, how did I come up with this idea? So it was, I think, back in the year 2017, no. Um, I was just asking my cousin, no, first degree cousin, Kuya Nubsky, um, for some movies, just for um, entertainment, to have um, relaxation moment. So I handed him some USB to ask for movies, any movies that he would give to me. So it happens that one of those movies are some documentary style videos of people being their videos, you know, their um, thoughts of the law of attractions are being compiled in those movies, in those videos. So that's how uh, I get bumped into those our topic for today. So uh, it was back in the year 2017, I think. So can I say after that year, so I am really fascinated by these topics, this kind of law, because um, this law have two coins, have two sides. So number one is the um, positive thoughts or positive sides of the law. Positivity. So it talks about being positive. So it always, from the word attraction. So you can attract to all of your surroundings, happenings, events, situations, and how would you um, interact with it. So that's number one, which is the positive sides. Number two is the negative thoughts or negative sides. So the negativity, so all the negative um, interactions to your life, all the negative things that could um, interfere with your daily life. So at that time I didn't know there are videos on YouTube that are available to easily search, to easily type and search. So I didn't know that at the time. So it may be some kinds of blessings that my cousin Kuya gave it to me, that kind of movie, the law of attraction. So it really talks about the universe will give it to you if you just a kind of person that really attracts also some positives or negative things, thoughts in your life. Because someone said that success is someone's you attract, not something you pursue. So my thoughts about that, maybe you have to really attract things, whatever things that you want in your daily life, to in order to be a successful person. So to get success, you need to attract. I think it always makes sense, because I mean, all of your days in a certain year, or many years in your life, if you only attract negative thoughts or negative emotions, then I think you can all you can only get things in a negative way. So my thoughts about that is, when we talk about positive, so first we're going to talk about the positive side. So positive, the word, positivity. So um for now, that's what I am applying to myself in order to be successful. In just simple um chores in your life, simple daily routine of you know doing your habits. So I always stick to my mind of being a positive person, because if you are someone that will think of some positive ways, then I think the result will also be a positive one. You know, how can you be a productive person if you are a negative um, thinker at first? If you think you want to um, do big things, just like in our own experience in our previous video, that I want to um, go to ride up my bike in 260 kilometers. So when and that thoughts came out to my mind, and at that moment also, if I try to make an excuse that it's it's too tiring, it is not possible, then I think I can I cannot do it, because after all, it always takes some action, some decisions. So if you decide that you are going to do it, so no matter what, there would be no excuses that you would make. Then I think you could do it in a positive way, so you could continue, and there would be no problem of it. So I think it really makes sense that you attract success. Success is someone's you attract, so not you pursue. Because even if you are that uh, uh, strong or kind of person that have all the resources in the world, but if you think that it's really impossible to do at the first place, then um, you could not do anything in life. So you have to trust in your guts and feelings that everything will be all right. Because if you think that things will be all right, then you could easily done something in your life. So example, your dreams. So if you have big dreams, then at the morning, at the first day of your life, if you just only think about the positive ways, the positive outcomes, the positive actions, and the positive will, then the result also can be a positive one. So unlike if you, I think it makes sense, in a simple Bible verses that you reap what you sow. So I think I will give to you some example. No? If you plant what kind of vegetables, if you plant squash, so I think you can always sow, you can always reap always, most of the time, some squash, because I think there's no scenario that you just planted a squash and you reap some eggplant. So it's just a simple way of giving to the examples. So if you sow some positive thoughts, some positive actions in your life, then I think what you reap is also a positive one. Because how would come that you just planted a seed of positive actions, then you can reap some negative one, right? So it's just what you put into your mind, what you put to your actions, so in your daily life. So if you practice a good habits of positivity, so the positive thoughts, positive emotions, or positive learnings, then I think it always makes sense, that the law of attraction is a very good example of things that could really improve to your life. So let's go to the number 2, sides of the law, which is the negative thoughts, the negativity, the negative actions. And if we think of negativity, so it's always an equal word to the excuses. Positivity for me is equal to will. So if you have the will, so you have the actions. So positivity is equal to actions, and the negativity is an equal to excuses. So that's how I describe it, so in my own words. So the negativity sides, so I think you have to remember that if you saw some negative thoughts, if you don't control your emotions, you just let the things you just go through the motions, of whatever the problems that may pass by to your life. Even if it's a negative one, then the outcome will be a negative one. Negative bad habits, negative words, negative everything. It's you can only read negativity. So we can't deny that there are times in our life that we will feel negative. You're always that negative, especially if you are just fail at something. At first, I always think failure is a negative side of success. The failure is the negative side of success. But This recent years only I learned that successful people put um, failures as a part of a success. So someone said that if you really love success, so you also have to learn failures, because that's part of the success. Because you cannot be a successful person or an individual if you didn't commit some failures, because failures is just only a stepping stone, some stepping stones in your success. Because um, you can uh, go to the next level if you just don't um, accept the fact that you just have to make mistakes. Because after all, we are all human beings, so we could really commit some mistakes in life, you know in our life. So I think I can't really um, give some more examples, of negativity, because I just try to neglect these feelings of being a negative. Because um, I believe to myself that once you start to feel, to think of some negative thoughts, then it will get some roots, in your life, that it would grow, so something that you could also reap some negative thoughts. Okay, how will I gonna put this? Okay, those times that when I was in a young age, I am a very pessimistic person. I would always tell to myself that I am a failure. So I am a failure, because no matter how hard I would try, then always, the result is always the same. So I didn't what do you call that? At that time, I just didn't manage my feelings. I just get overwhelmed with problems. So I just didn't develop to myself the virtue of patience. So I didn't have some patience at that time when I was in my younger years. So I think that might be the good example, that I could give to you guys. That if you will always be a negative person, if you'll always be the negative one, if you just try to lure in your life the negativity, then you could also um, don't ever think of the positive results. Because after all the things that you um, put in your daily life, to your to the people around you, if you are always that kind of negative, then you will can also attract some negative people. If you are a negative person, then you can be friends with those people that are so negative in life, that don't have the will, don't have those don't have self-esteem, that they really down themselves. Because I believe, that all people are unique, you know even our fingerprints, right? So even if there are 8 billions, I think, if I'm not mistaken, people so around the world, even if that very you know there are many peoples in the world, then after all, your fingerprints is so unique that you have no matches, even if you have twins. So in that case, so I would think that if you think that you are a unique person, then um you can be a good, or you could excel at your own, no? At your own a kind of way that so unique that even you yourself don't know what would that be. So um I just try to think, to myself. That's why I'm done and said to you guys this wonderful or helpful words. So it's from my just positive thinking, positive way of getting positive aspects, some positive learnings in life, some positive lessons that I always think to myself that I am unique, so I need to show to the world my uniqueness. So it's just only a matter of time that people would find me, that they can find me as one of their as one of themselves, that really share the same thoughts, some experience, really share some what do you call that, some group of people that have the same mindset. So and that's how also I try to attract, I just have to be true to myself. So I want to be a positive person, so I want to be a positive one. Then I think after all, in the end of the days, at the end of the days, then I could only, attract some positive people. So you can't deny, no, you can't neglect that. Even if how positive you are, so there are always people so around you, the negative one, that will criticize you. So they are also the negative person, negative. They have the negativity mindset. So the person so criticize, even if it's for the benefit of themselves, those inspiring words, that I am just giving to you, guys. Maybe I could show and try to uh, be at your service. So I just wanted to show to you guys that even at this age, so there's no positive things that we could not achieve as long as we believe and we don't stop learning. So you should also start learning every day, and you have to prolong it. So you just have to make it a lifestyle, for a lifetime, so that you know a dynamic, if the water is always flowing, so if the water is always moving, then that body of water is dynamic. So if it's dynamic, then there's life on it. So there's some fish, people will also be uh, given life, or some food. So I think that's only no, it's a matter of perspective. If you put life, if you're always dynamic, you're always flowing with knowledge, or no, or with actions that are positive, so you can always be a river of life, a river of life thoughts, life of experience. So that's what I am doing for now, because I really love success. So even if right now I just didn't uh, get some, big success, but even if for that little things that what I've been through, then I'm really happy to accept it. So if there are times that would come that we will be a very successful one, then I think we would be I would we would should we should be glad. But I just quote some quote of the Bible, no, that says that if you cannot be trusted with a little amount of money, then you cannot be trusted with the big one. So I just put it in my way, this that kind of words into my own philosophy, that if you cannot be um, happy for some little achievements in your life, then you cannot be happy with the big one, no, because if you are not happy with what you are having now, you have, or what you have possess right now, what is your your um, little glory in just simple habits, no, simple, just if just a simple of what you are right now, of whatever resources that you are having right now. If you are that um kind of happy, just accept of what you have right now, then I think if you're just happy with what you have right now, or whatever little success that you are experiencing, then I think if you will be in a state of being a successful one, then you will be glad, no? So after all, you just have to just do little by little, no, day by day, some positive way, because after all, if you're all of that negative, no, if you're all that very pessimist to our environment, to our surroundings, if you always thought of, it's just that difficult, that yeah everything, so it's possible, your dreams is impossible. So I think you could not get positive, you cannot get your dreams, no, to um, really happen. So it's just only a matter of dreaming and taking some actions, no, be a positive one. So um, yeah, you could do, or really wait for the right time for your dreams, but there are always times, in life, that in a river, that there's sometimes flood, no, we cannot deny that there's some problems that should have to went through. So with that kind of problem that um, will pass by to your life, then you should have to be strong, no, to accept and just find a way to recover from those things, because after all the people so really experience bad um, event in their life, but if you just put it in another way, other perspectives of life, that we should have to um, recover differently from those bad events, and we just put it as a learning, then it's a matter of time, that time will come that you could be a successful person. So I think that are my thoughts, for the law of attraction. So oh, I think this is just for today, mga sano, because after all, you should have to be a positive one. If you are that negative person, then um, just just expect to yourself that you cannot achieve if you are the negative one. So after all, you are already, you are gonna die. So you just have to to believe in the process, no. So I think that would be all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video ng mga sana. Ciao.